Welcome to the Wiki Journal. In this informative tutorial, I will teach you what does team mean on Instagram. Before starting a video, if you are a new user on our channel, please subscribe to our channel. So let's go toward the video. The team means the text messages on Instagram. The Instagram user use it on their stories, news feeds, comments, and boxes. It means that they have sent you a text message or you need to send them one. Sometimes the context differ while the maintaining the meaning. So now we will show that what is that. The theme is a common abbreviation for the text message on Instagram, but it's also an acronym for too much, tomorrow, the similar, more than that, that could still be used on the platform. Sometimes you can use it on its own or pair it with other words. For instance, on Instagram, sometimes say that the team means that they want you to send them a text message. It is a conversation starter. You might get this for followers. You know, a new visitor. So the intention might be known or unknown. So this is a short intro of the TNs on Instagram. If this video is informative for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.